Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick 20-minute chicken soup because my darling Flavia is dying currently at the moment and is not sounding the best, and I was like, chicken soup, it's what she needs. But I didn't want to have to cook the chicken, and as you see, we've done this before with Heidi. It's a bit of a longer version. This just uses a store-bought chicken. Of course, if you've got leftover chicken, you can use that too. So simple. Right, so these are the ingredients you're gonna need. So I've got between 2 and 3 cups of rotisserie chicken or store-bought chicken, and I've actually got the liquid that comes in the bag with it because that's got really nice flavor. It's a mixture of breast and thigh meat. Of course, you can cook your own chicken as well, roughly a whole chicken. Half a cup to 1 cup of frozen peas and corn, 1 large leek, roughly chopped. It's hard to see here, but this is about 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon zest and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 large garlic clove crushed, 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, 3 big stalks of celery finely chopped, and I've also just got the inside leaves of the celery stalk as well. They're a little bit sweet and give a nice flavor to the soup. About 2 large carrots chopped relatively fine, half a teaspoon of dried rosemary. If you're using fresh rosemary, use 1 teaspoon because dried has a bit more of an intense flavor. 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil for frying, a small handful of parsley when chopped, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, 1 large white potato chopped into beautiful cubes. Now you can take the skins off if you want, same with the carrots. I like it on because it gives a bit more nutrients. 2 liters of chicken stock. I use the Massa one because there's no added MSG, and it's actually all vegetable. There's no chicken in it, which is confusing to me, but it tastes like chicken. Let's get started and make Flavia better with the ginger and the garlic and all of the good vegetables. So what we're going to do first is take our olive oil and we're going to brown our leek until it's delicious and fragrant and brown and yummy. Then we're going to add our garlic and ginger until it's nice and fragrant. Then we're just gonna add everything else. Yeah, easy. Once your garlic and ginger have become fragrant, add your chicken stock. Now, if your leek has gone nice and golden brown, it should give your stock a really beautiful color. Of course, you can use homemade stock as well. Ain't nobody got time for that. Once you've added the stock, add the carrots, celery, potato, chicken, lemon zest, lemon juice, and rosemary. Keep out the parsley, inner leaves of the celery, and frozen peas and corn until the end. Once you've added these in, bring the soup up to a rolling boil on a high heat. This should take less than a minute. Then turn it down to a low simmer, just so there's little bubbles forming, and we're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, season your soup with some freshly ground pepper. I would wait on the salt until you've added everything, and sometimes it's better to go less salt because people like varying amounts, and you can always add more later. Then add your chopped herbs, your parsley, celery leaves, and frozen peas and corn. A way that you can test that it's done is to take one of your bigger bits of potato and take your nail or a fork and see if it's easily squished. Mine is, my nails aren't that long, but it goes in quite easy, and if I press down, it breaks quite easily. You want your potatoes to be soft, that's your limiting factor here. All right guys, that's how you make my 20-minute chicken soup. It's so quick, I can't put into words how yummy it smells, the ginger with the chicken, and absolutely beautiful. This serves about 6 people or yourself for a couple of days, which is what I usually do. And yes, I'm just really excited to eat it because it smells so good, and I think Flavia needs it because she's dying. So let's eat. It's good because it's also packed full of nutrients. We leave the skin on to give it a little bit extra phytochemicals and phytonutrients. Science. But yes, I hope you like.
Excited. It smells so good.
You die.
I am dying.
Oh, baby.
Oh, mate. Yummy.
Like the vegetables have only the slightest bit of crunch when you first go into them, and then they just melt.
Yeah.
I mean, the longer you keep it on the stove, the more the flavors intermingle and go delicious. But honestly, it's one of the quickest soups you can make. It's really yummy. And whenever I don't know what to make, I just go to this because it's easy and delicious.
It is delicious.
But yes, if you've got a little one that's dying as well, sounds very morbid. If you've got a little one that's sick like this one, this is a really good soup to make. So
Yay.
do it for Flavia. Don't die. Don't do that now.
Try not to die.
Don't do it.
Hey
guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. Because I love it.
Bye.
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that, or something awesome game related.